All right, you guys, let's get started here. I want to go over a bunch of stuff, so everybody get comfortable. This will take about 5 minutes, and then I'll leave you alone to do your thing. Okay, so starting at the top here. So today you guys are going to start working on this game. Let's see, you got to make sure you're sitting in the correct spots. By the way, I'm recording this, and I recorded the video from last time too, and upload that onto the YouTube channel. All the videos from classes I always am going to record, including introductions like this. Alright, so first and foremost we need to pull the project. Have we done that so far?
We've learned how to pull it yet.
Okay, great. So I want everybody to go onto the D drive on your computer, and you are looking for Project Labyrinth. Okay. Hopefully the person that was on your computer had put that on there. Project Labyrinth. Where is that? Here it is. Alright, so what you're going to do here is you're going to go into this. Who doesn't have Project Labyrinth on their computer? Okay. For you guys that do, you're going to go into Project Labyrinth. You're going to, I have some, how come I'm not showing this? Okay, you're going to go into Project Labyrinth like this, okay? I have some red here, so what I'm going to do is just revert that. If you have red, just go to Get Sync. I'm sorry, don't do that. Right click and go to Tortoise Get Revert. Tortoise Get Revert. If you have red. If you have green, you're good to go. This stupid little thing that gets edited when I open Unreal. I didn't even do anything with that, so I'm just going to revert it to the way it was originally. What I want you to do now is just you right click in here, and you're going to do Get Sync, and you're going to do Pull. Right click, Get Sync, and Pull. So this is what you're going to do when you come into class or when you start working, especially for the online guys. Before you do any work in this game, before you open Unreal, before you do anything, you're always going to pull. What does pulling do? Yeah, it updates it. That's right. Gets all the latest assets. Remote URL must be empty. Okay. Where can we find the remote URL? Anybody know? On the Trello, under GitHub, there's a link. You copy that link and you paste that in the remote URL up here, and then you click pull. So it looks like I'm all updated because I'm the last person that updated it, but you guys will be pulling the medieval dungeon. Okay? Where's my tech guy?
Hi.
Did you, so they're all set up, they cloned?
Yes.
Awesome. So you guys that have just cloned, you guys don't have to do any of this stuff we're doing now. The process you did would be exactly what you would do at home, which is cloning, and that's going to pull all the latest stuff anyway. Okay?
Copy that link into the sync as well. Whenever you go to pull stuff.
Does anybody need any help or have questions? Again, so all we've done so far is we've gone onto the Trello, gone onto the general group, and there's a card that says GitHub. We copy this path here, which says, under the description, which is the Labyrinth Git link. Then you're going to go into your Project Labyrinth, right click, and do a Git Sync. You're going to paste that link in the remote URL and click pull. We have a designated GitHub help you person in this group. We designated him last time, and his name is Ganon, like Zelda. Ganon, that guy. And he's going to help you if you guys have any problems with GitHub, because I guarantee you we're going to have problems. We haven't even started class and we're already having problems. Is there anybody that's not pulling right now that we're waiting on? Okay, keep at it.
You said you added something after Skeleton Crew? Or Skeleton Crew was the last thing you added?
I added Skeleton Crew and then I added Medieval Dungeon.
Because Medieval Dungeon isn't showing up on the full list.
Well, it should be. If you go into Project Labyrinth trunk content, you should see Medieval Dungeon.
Yeah, it's not there. When I went to pull it and I did everything wrong for them. Let me go to the GitHub real fast. It's not even in the Project Labyrinth on GitHub. You might need to repush it.
Oh, Okay. Oh, maybe I didn't push it.
Yeah, because I asked you last time if you had pushed it yet. So,
It says it's.
we'll wait until he's done with this and then pull it again.
It's weird.
Well, you don't have to close that. Sorry about that.
It's my fault. I thought I did, man. This is a little bit different than the GitHub process that I'm using on another project because it's a newer GitHub.
Yeah.
And so there's little things. If any of you guys need help, please just raise your hand, and someone will come over and help you. Keep your hands raised. Someone will get to you. We've moved seats, so wherever sit with your department. What are you, level design or what? Program?
The character stuff.
Character stuff. Okay, you're gonna be somewhere over here. Try and find another character person.
You say you don't have the platform over there, the gun user? Is that the problem you'll have? Or do you only set it up to 5? you given Zane access to the Trello board yet?
Zane. I think it was actually on Discord.
Yeah, you're gonna go to Discord and open that link. While you're doing
What's their
I think it's Zane still on the Trello.
still
I've
Zane?
read exclamation points on some files.
Zane.
Look up
There's a
here.
lot of Zanes here.
So, but I mean,
Basically what you're going to do is you're going to back out to the farthest place in your directory. So where you see trunk,
Yeah.
right click,
There's another Zane scan.
and you're going to go to tortoise get revert.
Revert?
Zane
Okay.
two, Zane dev, Zane two,
It's
Zane
fine.
two.
I'll get the Discord link.
Zane.
I mean, there's a
Person
guy
name,
that we dropped this in design.
When you're sure you have it. Until you're gonna have to pull again out of it. You're gonna have to pull once more out and finish this up. Cool. One second, tell me. Yes. Yes. But wait until you're done uploading this because you're gonna need to pull again and pull it out. Yeah, probably something. Yeah. Just wait until he's done uploading and pull again. Have you put it on the pin messages? Click on that link for me. There we go. Now hit once that's signed. And now go back to Tortoise Get down here. Paste that into there. Get rid of this line. This is the zip file. Nice. Now hit the check down there. Did you start gathering the files for you? I'll do that when that's done. Yes. And then click on right with that. Copy the link address. Just paste that in there. Wait until after you're done uploading this. This is last one. No, because you're still uploading something, you'll have to pull it again anyway, so.
Yeah.
Right click? No, go back to media. You're gonna wanna right here. Oh no, that's oh no, that's fine. You do that one, right click on
Yeah, she's a programmer
right
from
click on
Chrome.
Chrome.
She said she can
Oh, you haven't done that, you did.
to work with us.
Revert my name.
Can you
Plug
get
in my name.
for the role?
Right now,
So when
I'm gonna wanna go to
No.
It's more perfect for
This is for solitude.
I prefer looking at you to see what you're working on.
Oh, I
All
see.
at the same time.
Lawyers.
That's good.
It is very fine.
Over.
Alright, there's nothing wrong with that. It's a very separate thing.
So, and then wait
But
for
I
that
was
to
saying, there's a guy or girl in the chat, the Discord chat, that is
cut down
a
down
programmer,
on the
and,
sheets.
she wants to be included in what we're
Anybody else
doing.
know?
So I was thinking,
There's a voice chat.
yeah, so if you could get on the voice chat with her, that would be helpful, because then.
I have my headset that has a mic.
I'm gonna have to ask her in the chat because I've already seen her message. That's her.
Project Lab and not
She's
Project
on
Lab
right now.
slash
Yeah.
lab.
So you want to get her right now as in.
Do you have like headphones
Well, now you're
that you can?
I do.
Yes.
I do
I was
too.
just thinking if he's the lead, that makes
Well,
more
yeah.
sense.
I mean,
No, to coordinate. If we have the lead disseminating ideas and like, okay, this is what we know, specific people working on.
Yeah.
I think that you're basically the switch station for tasks, right? So we go, okay, which person is doing what task?
Right.
So I figured if you're the person doing that, then we should be talking to the person on the voice chat to tell her what everybody else is doing.
Yeah. But we first have to decide first on what the mechanics we have to solidly
Right.
program before we can do anything.
So I await your desires at that point.
I've already put in the Discord. It's like
Like,
basic
run,
walking, run,
jump,
crouch,
crouch.
jump. Because I don't think floaty jump would be good or appropriate for this puzzle based.
If nobody else wants to take it, I'll try to tackle interact.
Interact?
Yeah.
Body?
Yeah, because I think that's going to be tied to a lot of the things that I have in mind.
Yeah,
So,
the traps and all the switches.
doors is
If you ever need
dialogue.
Yeah, but if you ever need Boolean logic, don't be afraid to ask me.
I will ask you all the questions.
All right, we good?
Boolean logic.
All right.
Just don't wait.
Well, wait until he's done uploading and then.
All right, you guys, let's continue.
Okay.
Everybody. So apparently I didn't push the latest files, which was the medieval dungeon, so I'm pushing that now. Here in a second, y'all will have to pull again, which is fine. So let's just go ahead and continue here. I've gone over this. Okay, so each day we're going to come in, you're going to pull the project, and then we're going to, you need to have department meetings. So level designers will meet with level designers, programmers will meet with programmers, and your leads will lead those meetings, and the project lead will jump around, okay? And if there's any tech issues, you know, after that meeting, then tech issues can be sorted out by our tech guy, Gannon. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of demo here in a second of adding new files to the project and then also committing existing files. But anyway, so level designers. Okay, so you guys should have, if not, we'll be working on today your top downs. Okay, let me see where my level designers at. We got 2 of them. Awesome. 3 of them. Okay. I think we have more level designers online. Have you guys connected with those people?
A little bit.
One of the.
Okay.
One of the programmers is in the voice chat right now for Discord.
Okay, cool.
We actually have a good couple of level designers online. Like right now, there's 6 of them.
Okay, that's cool. Everybody will need a top down, and yeah, so we'll need to do that. Those top downs need to be approved by your level design lead, and then they need to, and the project lead also needs to look at those so he knows what's going on before any work in Unreal begins. Okay, just so everything's all coordinated. Yeah, so level designers and level design lead mostly will have to manage the online level designers. That goes for all departments. So anybody that's online needs to be managed by the art department here. Anybody that's a programmer, you know, same thing, needs to be managed by the programming department here that's online. Okay? Let's see. All right, game design. Somebody in here wrote a game design document.
That was.
I saw that on Discord at some point. Is that linked on the Trello?
I think that's the Project Labyrinth ideas, unless you're referring to a different document.
That's
No.
that one. It's under Project Labyrinth Ideas. On the right.
On the right there, general.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. Okay, cool. And who did this?
I did.
All right. If you did this, that means you like doing this, okay?
Yeah.
So it's going to be your job to keep this thing updated.
So it's open for everybody to make comments, and then the editing, I'll edit in whatever comments are being brought in.
All right.
That way it doesn't like just suddenly miss a chunk of whatever anybody put in.
I'm trying to open both of these documents right now. One of them is the contact sheet, but project lead last time, did you get a list of people that wanted to be in the design committee?
Yes. There are only like 3 people
Oh,
other than the leads who wanted to be it.
Okay.
So I
I
added
said
them
I
all.
did. I don't know if you got my name. right.
Okay, did you get Gannon too? He's kind of a lead, so that...
Well,
Oh yeah. That's
what's your username?
The GitHub.
Zariasdale on Discord.
Darius.
All right, are you in there?
Yes, he is.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
in
good.
design.
So any
Okay.
decisions that come out of that meeting, you're gonna write in that game design document.
Absolutely. Can I make a suggestion, Lord Cyrenight?
Yeah.
Can we add Jay Miller into the design crew? Since he
Jay
seems to be
Miller?
putting out a lot of content.
I think he has to volunteer for that himself.
No, I just don't know what his.
Jay Miller,
There it
Jay
is.
too.
Found it.
All right, so the design crew is basically for decision making in regards to design. So anything that you guys are trying to come up with, like for the game, when the character walks in a room, the bucket of water falls on his head,
Right.
that's a design decision that needs to be, this crew does that. And you guys can have those meetings anytime you want to. Anytime a programmer or something is like, what do I do about this? Design meeting. Unless it's something that, like, you'll be the design lead, I guess. That's fine. If you can just on the fly come up with it, cool. If it needs a broader discussion, grab the design crew.
Yeah.
Make sense?
I'm pretty much always connected to the chat. So if anybody has suggestions or,
Okay.
or anything that you want,
Did you need
just
help?
tag me.
All right. Character stuff. We have the skeleton crew. Okay. We're gonna. I think we decided that we're gonna use that for some stuff.
Yeah.
Is that right?
We can, yeah.
I mean, it has tons of animations and stuff already, so that's pretty damn handy. Right. I saw that. I talked to him about that. You can just throw that in Mixamo and it works, and yeah. And then in regards to new characters, you know, Mixamo, just like I showed you, there's also, I can't pull it up right now because, of course, whenever I'm trying to do anything, my internet just doesn't work on here for some reason.
It might
Pro-
be because you're pushing at the same time.
Yeah, it might be because I'm pushing 1,000 assets. But you guys can just go on your computers, go into Google, and type in something called Fuse Character Creator, Fuse.
Adobe UCC.
Yeah, Fuse CC. It's an Adobe thing. You can use your Adobe login for Creative Cloud and get it, or you can. Yeah, the Adobe version is the one you want to get. There's one on Steam, but it's an older version.
That's for the art department.
Yeah, this is for the art department, but if you just hit play on that video or whatever, you can see how it works. It's a character creator, and it's really easy, and there's a button in that program that says send to Mixamo. And it literally, whatever character you create, it sends it straight to Mixamo, which is amazing. Okay, so if you guys want to create custom characters, I would do it in here.
Okay.
And there's all kinds of different clothing and different shapes and sizes and all that sort of stuff. Goes pipes in straight into Mixamo. You can use all the animations in Mixamo, then export it right into Unreal, just like I taught you how to do it.
As far as I know, the only two models that seem to be like already kind of set are the big demon dude and the main character.
Okay,
Everything else is
up for
like,
grabs.
Totally up for grabs. Yeah.
Got it. All right. Programmers. Do you guys have a feature list to work on? Sort of. Okay.
We have the basics down, but we kind of need to know like the majority of what tasks to divvy up.
Okay. So,
We need a better idea of what we're doing art-wise and.
okay,
and,
sounds like you guys need to have a meeting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
All right, so after this, we will have a meeting.
After class.
It's not after class, I think.
So let's
I've
put
got
the.
time after class if you guys do.
Well, just do it in class. Yeah.
During class, yeah. he said
Of
during
course. That's what this is. You guys are making a game. This is what. All right. So out of that meeting is going to come exact tasks for each programmer. Okay. Grappling gun. One programmer will get on that. Double jump. A programmer will get on that. Health. A programmer will get on that. See where I'm going with this?
Yeah.
Got it. And I'm sure you guys will figure this out. In fact, it might be a good idea just to have another team meeting.
Yeah.
Just have a team meeting that way. Somebody take notes. Who's going to take notes? Where's our note taker? All right. Okay, other 3D artists. Find out what level designers need, make a list, find the objects online, put them in Unreal. just like we did the spaceship. Remember how we did the spaceship? Just like that. 2D artists. Where are my 2D artists at? People that draw on stuff. Awesome. I didn't talk about this last time. Photoshop is your friend. Who in here knows how to use Photoshop? Okay, if you don't know how to use Photoshop, I can put you on a tutorial real quick that will teach you Photoshop in 30 minutes. Okay? You what? We have tablets in here in this thing. We have all the tablets you could ever possibly want. Plus, you're sitting at a computer with a Cintiq. So, there you go. Problem solved. You guys are going to be in charge of screens. That's right. Death screen, main menu, game logo, pause screen, any other screens in the game.
UI?
Huh?
Game state and UI?
Yeah, UI, that's a good one too. So HUD and UI. Who in here knows what HUD is? Heads up display, that's right. So anything you see on the game, health, weapons, etc., etc., etc. UI is just like stuff that's user interface, exactly.
Settings, menu, stuff like that.
Have I missed anybody that's in here that doesn't know what they're supposed to be doing? Anybody? Okay, cool. All right, I'm still uploading, so I can't give you this demo. You guys should be all set. Let's go ahead and do a team meeting, not in here. Let's do it in the big room. Know where that's at? All right, guys, good work.